afternoon. Today is Thursday, and this is an update about my execution for this week. As what I've said the previous video, if I'll see a opportunity to make a setup, then I'll make a trade. And here it is, the proof to myself that I made the execution and to record it for the sake of my training session. So this is a daily chart for the British pound US dollar, and I discussed the previous video that I am strong bearish for British pound, so it is end of the year, but still I am strong bearish because my base pair, my base currency is the dollar, which is still strong bullish. And let's go to the 4-hour chart. So here it is, the execution. This blue, I made an exit here, and this is my entry. I sell just exactly where I placed my execution. My entry point, and I'm so happy for myself with this previous corrected setup, refined already. So I apply it in this current week, and it happened again. And the previous week, the 200 pips, which is this one, and I exit here. Same thing happened here. So I apply what I've learned in this previous these 3 weeks. I apply it here, then I get this 191 pips. And I know I made a promise to myself that I will still focus on the 100 pips. Yes, I adjust my stop loss in the 100 pips after it breaks the 100 pips boundary. And then I apply what I've learned this previous weeks, the refined setup, and that is the result. I get the 191 Thursday afternoon. So I am so happy that I'm improving those past few weeks, early months, when I started this my training session. I did not expect that I will unlock this more than 100 pips setup. And it doesn't mean that I get it. It doesn't mean that I will not refine and make a conclusion about my setup. I will still continue to study, continue to observe the price, and it is also the correlation of my this daily key levels. So this one, the first one here, this I use this last up candle because where the volume of this price break, so it tries to reach which happened last week, and then it breaks again. So I use this last up candle as a breaker candle. Then I review on the 4-hour chart using those daily key levels, and then targeting this old low, because it was going up 3 weeks already, just to rebalance those this swing low. Still, it's a strong bearish, but it doesn't mean that this one is not a good trade. And these two weeks, these two trades, I did not participate because I'm still refining my setup here. So it's just a part of a lesson what I've learned on this training session. And next week, I'll try to find again another setup if I can find something. If not, and then there's no trade. I will just let the price go itself where the price want to go. So I'll focus on my notes. This is the breaker range, the mid, yeah, this one. That's why I get this setup, and then I'll try to check how the price go in this previous week. So the price itself, it tries to go up to stretch and rebalance this swing, this one, because the previous week it was going down. So it tries to rebalance at least half of this swing and then continues to goes down again. Same thing happened here, right? This swing is the half of this swing. See, that's what I observed. So it means this swing for 3 weeks was just a rebalance of this big swing, this one. So see, if you will just analyze how the price reacts, how the price works, so you will understand that it is possible as long as you have a discipline. You don't rush anything, you don't chase price. uh, you should understand why you made an entry there. You should have a backup explanation why you put that entry point, this one. There's always a big reason why the entry point was there and the exit point was there. So same thing for me. My exit point was here because I am targeting this old swing low. This is the origin of this swing, right, before it goes up. So I am targeting this swing low because it fails to goes up here, right? It creates a daily breaker candle, so I made an entry. So high time frame key levels is very important to me because I am a developing swing trader, and now I am happy, and it will not stop here. I will continue to study. Next week I will try to analyze the price again with a backup currency for the dollar, because I use the dollar as a base. I like this British pound. It gives me more pips to practice. So I'll show to you that how the result of this execution, this sell, and this after I exit. So same thing happened uh, the previous week. So this one, previous week I made 1162, so 307. and now plus $11. So from 300 account balance, so I made already a $19 realized PNL with just a proper discipline, proper mindset, proper risk management. So it is possible. When I am confident enough put to enter in a real trade money, so I will just copy this account balance $300. I will just put $300 and then apply what I've learned here in my training session. This session will serve as my stepping stone to enter the real world trading money. So as of now, I'm already $19 realized PNL, and I'm using a 1% risk, or 1% risk only. So to practice my brain that I should respect my rules, my strategy, I will not focus on the numbers itself about the profit, because that number is just a result of my strategy, the way I understand the price action, the way I uh, mark my high time frame key levels. Because for me, high time frame key levels very strong, guys. The price really bouncing there and respects that boundary. I use my lower time frame levels to make my entry point, to to make my stop loss and take profit area. So this one I'm using 50 pips stop loss for now, because I've realized that I am a swing trader, and I am a developing trader, so I need to make a room for an error and a spread for the brokerage when I enter the real trading money, because they have a spread. And also I've searched some brokerage that they are offering almost up to 0 pips spread, which is the raw, but they are you need to pay them commission fee per round turn, so I need to consider that also. So now I am practicing myself as a 50, just to make a room for my practice. And also this setup, I already marked at 200 pips. This was my first target when I was this boundary. It tries to goes up, and I tried to make an entry here. Yeah, I tried to make an entry here. This one, I think this one. And then I put this 200 pips TP, but it fails because of this daily key level to rebalance the swing at least half. Yeah, I also noticed that after a big swing happened, a price really wants to go back at least half of that swing, and then you only need to wait if it creates another breaker, which is in a high time frame, 4 hours or daily high time frame level. It is there. It is very important. If this strategy will also help you, and then just watch this video again just use it because it is just free here. This video will serve as my journal also. I just put it here in my YouTube channel, and then you can just watch it. I will not delete these videos. Maybe someday somebody will watch this, and then you can watch if it fits in your personality. Because for me, I am enjoying this swing trader setup, swing trading setup. So pardon about my English. I'm not so fluent. I'm just trying here for you guys to explain what I've learned, just to uh, communicate with other people, because I English is not my mother language, and there's nothing wrong about it as long as I can say something, just a basic English. So I hope sooner, if this community or this channel will have many subscribers, that I hope that these videos will help you to improve, or you will get something about it. So see you next week. If let's see if what kind of price action the price will give to me, and then I'll see to it if I can make an entry. If there's nothing special, there's nothing important, or there's no opportunity, then maybe I'll just play some games or watch movies. There's nothing. I cannot control this price action. I just react based on the price itself. Yeah, I need time, and then I need a price, time and then price. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you're doing well. From where are you right now? God bless you all. Take good care of yourself. Take good care of your money. Don't rush anything. uh, Give yourself time to practice. uh, Same to me, and have a nice day.